Hey everybody, Maria from Coda. So if you're working on a team, inevitably you need to know who's working on what and how's it going. So let's take a look at how this is put together. It's made up of two different tables. The first table is our task tracker, and notice we have all the tasks, who they're assigned to, as well as the tasks stage over here. We also have this column over here, the project column, which is a special kind of column called a lookup column. What this means is it allows me to pull information from another table. In this case, my project list down at the bottom, which is table number 2. So if I were to add the project lead over here and say the project lead is Maria Marquis, and then I scroll back up to the top, if I hover over here to this project 1, there it is. It lets me know who that project lead is. So all of the information about project 1 automatically follows that lookup because it's giving us that context. Now, as with anything, you can always customize these examples. So maybe I want to add a column that lets me know the effort. How hard is it going to be? So we could go ahead, scroll here, choose a slider. Maybe we'll say the effort here. So I could say, oh, this one's going to be really hard. This one's going to be easy. This one's going to be about in the middle. So you can really decide how you want to communicate further information about these tasks by adding whatever kind of criteria you need using those columns. Now, as the project manager, I might also want to summarize this information a little bit more effectively, and I'm going to do that using formulas. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that helper text up at the top, and maybe I want to communicate to the team how many tasks are not done and how many tasks are blocked. So I could say tasks to complete, and I'm going to start writing a formula by typing equals and say, all right, take me to that task tracker. Then I want to filter anywhere where that stage is not equal to complete, and then I want to count it. So when I press enter, we're going to see great, 6 is that current criteria, and maybe I can say tasks blocked. I'm going to do another formula in this case, very similar structure, saying, all right, take a look at that team task tracker. Then I want to filter where this task stage in this case is equal to blocked, and then I want to count it. So now I have that good count right up here. I could go ahead and make these bold. Maybe I want to make them red to really make them pop. And then notice as we change things down here, so we've completed something, we're now down to 5, or maybe task 2 is now blocked, we're back up to 2, those are going to respond. Now, if you want to take this to the super next level, you could actually set up an automation using our little automation robot to send an email of this section to your team, everyone in this doc, on a weekly or daily basis, depending on your preferences. So really, the sky is the limit. Start with what you need and then start adding. Have some fun, and I'll see you next time.